right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a trade recap. Finally smacked the fucking TP last night, so it was a little different. I fucking traded Asia last night, and I traded silver. This video's I'm gonna go over like the trade I took, and then also I'm gonna go over the setups I saw this morning, bro. It's currently 10:15, but like, bro, I'm off the charts. I missed two setups. Simply because Tradeovate was not fucking working, so I missed out on like 6R, bro. If I were to take like two trades, but yeah, yo, my dog is going ape shit. But yeah, so first I'm just gonna break down this trade I took last night. So it was purely evals, and I believe that trading Asia should be purely evals. I'm not gonna lie though, like gold, silver, and NQ sometimes fucking moves pretty nice at night. But yeah, like it's really good for passing evals. I'm not gonna lie. Same with silver. Silver is great with evals. Anyways, so if you look at what's going on, I think we were delivering out of a 4 hour or some shit. Oh no, we just like swept the low. Oh yeah, we swept the low. Inverse this. Oh, there was not even a gap. Okay, well, either way, we were trending up, and I wanted the 4 hour high here at the time. I believe, what time is that? That's Tuesday at 10 a.m. Okay, yeah, so this was like the high here that I wanted. There wasn't really anything on the 1 hour. There's no gap. There was literally just that 15-minute. I don't know what time it was at. Yeah, so there's this 15-minute right here. We at 8:30 we got tapped, and then I believe it was a 3-minute inversion. Yeah, it was a 3-minute inversion right here. So the trade literally looked like this. Give me a sec. My stop went at the low here, and I targeted like it was a 1.6 or some shit, something like that. So yeah, this was a trade. Not a bad trade, honestly. Like, it moved pretty clean. It chopped around a little bit at first, but like, bro, like it fucking went to my break even pretty quick after and fucking smacked TP. Bro, I fucking love like silver. Like, if you know where it wants to go, like, and you just go with the trend, you're gonna bank, bro. Like, this shit is crazy. It's a fucking meta. Also, in terms of like SMT, like the correlating asset for silver is gold. But I'm gonna tell you guys this: you do not have to have gold pulled up. Like, there is always SMT between the two. I've seen it like you don't even have to look at gold for SMT, bro. This shit's irrelevant. There's always SMT. But yeah, honestly, I thought we were gonna deliver even higher to like this high here. We eventually did. But yeah, bro, this is quick, easy way to pass fucking evals, bro. Shit is super easy. Yeah. Now to get into the fucking bullshit from this morning, bro. Okay, so now we're looking at NQ. This is AM. This is literally what's happening right now. We got fucking robbed. There's a nice fucking setup, bro. It's pissing me off. And like, it's kind of still playing out a bit. I don't know if I don't know if we're gonna take this low. We'll see. Anyways, daily, we fucking, I don't know, we just like melted. We were melting. We had previous day lows untapped, and what was this? Yeah, Monday and Tuesday's lows untapped, I think. 4 hour, yeah, so tap the 4 hour, delivering out of it. These lows are pretty obvious, bro. Like, there's no reason you should have been bullish. Like, this is just so obvious. Like, we inversed all these 4 hour gaps right here, respecting this fucking 4 hour here. And not only that, we had SMT at the high right here. You'll see on the 4 hour, like, look, if you look at ES, we had SMT right there because ES took the high and Q didn't. So external high time frame SMT, we delivering out of a 4 hour gap, and we have previous day lows untouched. pretty obvious, right? Yeah, 1 hour there wasn't really much. The one thing is we did inverse this 1 hour, but I don't really care. You know, we're just delivering down. I can give a fuck. Anyways, then what happens? We inverse this 15-minute right here. So now I'm like, all right, I'm looking for like these lows down here. Like these are too obvious. So we inverse that, and then what happens? So this is a little different style of trading that I'm doing, that I'm like used to, or that you guys would see me trade. But like it's fairly like simple, bro. Like it's just high external SMT, confirmation that we're going towards a draw, and then what happens? We had a SMT here on the internal. With ES, oops, on the 1 minute. Yeah, so ES took these highs here and Q didn't. And we got a 30-second inversion. I can't show you because Tradeovate is fucking acting up, but there was a 30-second inversion. My buddy fucking told me. Anyways, yeah, so you literally could have had this trade here. 1 or 2 risk to reward. You could have ran it all the way down to this low if you wanted to for higher risk for RR, but you could have ran it all the way down here. Like it's up to you, but I mean 1 or 2 is what I'm going for. So that, and it pretty much immediately delivered. And then there was a second chance here to re-enter and take it another trade, because why? There was SMT right here, because we didn't really take anything significant on this trade right here. But either way, so we had SMT there, and ES took the high. There's another 30-second inversion, and you could have taken that to the previous day low. That's a 4R. That's crazy. But yeah, no, yeah, it's like 3-4R, whatever, depending how big your stop is. Yeah, so those are like pretty much the trades of the day, bro, for me. Kind of crazy. I would have would have been so nice to get a clean day without fucking Tradeovate bullshitting us. Yeah. Whatever. We still have what are we today? Tuesday or Wednesday? We got fucking Thursday and Friday, so we'll see what happens. It's been kind of a slow week. Only trade I've taken, I think, was what? Fucking last night? Was it the only trade I took this week? I think so. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it. Those were the trades I saw, and they both played out beautifully. Unfortunately, Tradeovate was not cooperating. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.